Welcome to today's daily message. On this Valentine's Day, I want to offer a little bit of a reflection about the gift of friends and family. I've been blessed with a wonderful family, a wife and 3 stepchildren and 6 grandchildren, and I've been blessed with wonderful, wonderful friends whom I've been able to socialize with, to travel with, to laugh with, to talk about life with, and to share a glass of wine with. And when my wife got sick almost 2 years ago, I saw another side of their friendship, both from family and friends, that I had never seen before. I was overwhelmed by their cards, their letters, their visits, their words of encouragement, their prayers for us, their willingness to stay with her when I had to be out somewhere. I was able to talk with them about what I was feeling. I was able to cry with them. And so today I express that I am forever grateful and will be forever grateful for the tremendous gift of family and friends. I view family and friends as signs of God's presence, that God is truly with me. And I believe that their love, the love of kids and grandkids and friends, is God's love present in the world. And so on this Valentine's Day, let's make sure that we tell those who are close to us just how much we love them. Happy Valentine's Day.